Next we are discussing area of triangle. Area of triangle. So we have a triangle. Vertex is capital A, capital B, capital C. Then opposite to say A, side is what? Small a. So length of BC is what? A. Similarly length of CA is what? B. Similarly length of AB is what? C. We want to find out area of this triangle. So there are many formulas are there. First formula is what? 1 by 2. Delta denotes area. Delta denotes the area of triangle ABC. Okay. So I am writing here area is equal to what? Delta. So delta equal to what? 1 by 2 base into height. So this is first formula. Okay. Suppose height we are taking this one. So this is perpendicular to BC. So this is point is what? D. So this height is what? H. So this will be what? Base. तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा? Delta equal to what? 1 by 2 into base is what? A. Height is what? H. Okay. We can find out height. See this angle is what? B. Then height will be what? H equal to C sin B. Okay. If I take this angle is what? C. Then if you find out height in terms of B and C, so what will come? B sin C. Okay. Now if you put H value here, then we'll get another formula. So second formula is what? Area equal to 1 by 2 into A is as it is. We are putting H value. H value is what? C sin B. Or if I put H value B sin C, so what will come? 1 by 2 into A into B sin C. This is the area formula. Okay. So how this formula is coming? See 1 by 2 A into C sin B. Okay. So this side and this side we are multiplying. Between these two sides angle is what? B. So we are multiplying sin of B. Similarly if you take A into B into sin C. So 1 by 2 as it is. This side in multiply to this side. Between these two sides angle is what? C. So we are multiplying sin of C. Similarly if you take this side and this side. So what will come? 1 by 2 into B into C. Between these two sides angle is what? A. So we have to multiply here sin of A. This is second formula. Next is third formula. Third formula. Okay. So third formula we are deriving from here. So if you take delta equal to what? 1 by 2 AC sin B. AC sin B. We can take anything. We can take this one also, we can take this one also, no problem. Because this is also delta formula. This is also delta formula. Okay. So area equal to what? 1 by 2 AC sin B. We know that B equal to what? 2R sin B. B equal to what? 2R sin B. Now here, if I put sin B value here, so what will come? From here sin B is what? Sin B is what? B by 2R. तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा? Delta equal to 1 by 2 AC sin B value is what? B by 2R. So what will come? Into B by 2R. तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा? ABC divided by 4R. Okay, this is third formula. Next is what? Fourth formula. Okay, so fourth formula we are deriving from here only. Correct? So delta equal to what? 1 by 2. Okay, AC as it is into sin B we can add what? 2 sin B by 2 into cos B by 2. So from here 2 getting cancelled. This will come what? AC sin B by 2. Okay, half angle formula we have taken. So sin B by 2 is what? Root over. Okay, we want to find out B by 2 this one. So this side, this angle included between side A and C. So what will come? Root over S minus A into S minus C divided by AC. Okay, similarly cos B by 2. So this will come out root over. Okay, this angle is B. So opposite of B angle is what? Side is what? B. So here what will come? S into S minus B divided by AC. This will come. So this is what? AC, and denominator root AC into root AC is what? AC. So this is getting cancelled. Okay, so this will come what? Root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is also area formula. This is called as Heron's formula. These are the triangle formula.